Greetings. So today we are going to demo this bathroom and get it prepared for tile. This one's going to require a little bit more. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you can take out this tub combo is you have to take off the diverter. So you gotta pop this thing off. Somebody caulked it, so now it doesn't want to come off. Alright, so you just pop that off so you can get to this screw. Once you unscrew this, pull this off, then you pull this plate.
Hey, you got too much.
Alright, got the handle off. Now I'm just taking the plate off. There's two screws, one there and one here. Alright, so the plate is off and the handle's gone. So now we gotta move the faucet. So to do that, you just twist it over, and here you'll see that there is a set screw there. In order to get that out, you're going to need a hex set. So you're going to need something like this. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Put it in here, and you unscrew it. Can't do it with one hand, so I'll show you in a second. Okay, and once the screw is loose, you just pull it off, just like that. Next, you remove the overflow plate. And with that, it's just two screws. Take that off, and the final thing you do is pull the drain out. You can do that using some needle nose pliers. Okay, so now everything is out. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to cut this into pieces so it can come out easier. And to do that, I'll use a sawzall. Alright, whenever you're doing any kind of demo work, you want to make sure you have your proper PPE, which are your goggles, face mask, gloves. I usually have to put something over my hair because I don't want stuff all in it, but yep, safety first. So the first thing you want to do is take a utility knife and score along the outer perimeter of the tub shower, just so when you start ripping this out, you don't take the rest of the wall with it. Now it's power tool time. You guys ever wonder what these tubs are made of? Cardboard and fiberglass, but cardboard. Alright, so the walls are now out. Took the ceiling out. Now the light is getting set, and once we're done with that, we'll start hanging the door up. You gotta always leave your mark. This will be here until they tear it down.